Hey, welcome to dashcamtv. It's another cold morning, minus 17 Celsius, feels like minus 23. For my American viewers, I believe that's below 0 Fahrenheit. Today we're off to Lakefield to pick up 30 square bales. That's all I can fit in the back of my truck. I definitely do need a trailer so I can get more at one time. Thanks for coming along for the ride. I'm on the on-ramp to 401 westbound. Just going to take the 401 up to Belleville. Then I'll be heading north through a whole bunch of small towns: Stirling, Marmora, Norwood, Havelock. Just trying to speed up here from the off-ramp, or on-ramp. Got a tractor trailer right behind me. I don't want to cause him any problems. I feel like I should have put air into the front tires. Let's hope that doesn't cause any issues for the drive today. Lakefield is about an hour and a half away, so you'll have to watch until the end to make sure that everything goes smoothly. Whistler is along for the ride. He's enjoying his truck ride as usual. Just at the top of Oak Hills, coming down into Stirling. It's just a nice view across out over there. In the town of Stirling. Stirling's claim to fame, two notable NHL players are from here. 1980s and early 90s enforcer Rob Ray played many seasons with the Buffalo Sabres. And early 2000s, agitator Matt Cook played for the Vancouver Canucks, and I believe he won a Stanley Cup with the Pittsburgh Penguins. Once the light turns green, we're making a right-hand turn onto the Stirling-Marmora Highway and heading towards Marmora. If the light turns green, I'm pretty sure it will. Oh, the advanced green the other way. This is a little bit of a weird intersection. There's the green light for us. Springbrook. I don't think there's a lot to say about Springbrook. I think there's a bowling alley here. There used to be. I'm not sure if it's still open or not. Just a small village between Stirling and Marmora. Now in the town of Marmora, we'll make a left-hand turn at the light. We'll be on Highway 7, heading toward Havelock and Norwood. Now on Highway 7, just about to cross over the Crow River. Now in the town of Havelock, of course home to the Havelock Country Jamboree, held annually for, I believe, 30 years now. Except last year, 2020, everything got canceled. Many of the biggest names in country music have played at the Havelock Country Jamboree over the years. I can't even begin to name them all. You would have to go to their website to look up who all has played there. have the square bills loaded, and I'm heading for home. Thanks for watching Dashcam TV. Truly appreciate the support. I hope you liked this video. If you did, click like. Please feel free to comment. I love answering the comments in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you. Till next time.